Hello everyone, hope you will be fine. In today's video lecture, I will brief you how to enable dark mode in YouTube. Many people use dark mode while they are running YouTube. I have opened my browser and I am going to browse for YouTube. That is a simple mode. Often people like to operate YouTube in a dark mode. It's a very simple and easy task. Just go to right corner of your screen and here you can find your ID. That's my ID. Here you will find an appearance option. That is appearance option. There are two types of theme here, dark theme and light theme. If you want to use dark theme, then click on dark theme. Oh yes, a theme has been changed into dark. Similarly, you can reassign your theme to simple theme. I think I should use a dark theme. That's look me fine. Thanks for watching.